The thunder you hear at Monster Jam, the roar of monster trucks flying, flipping, and smashing cars, is carried by one name, BKT. Yes, the tires that survive the most extreme stunts in America's Monster Jam are not American, not German, not Japanese. They are proudly made in India. Balkrishna Industries Limited, or BKT, began its journey in India, but today, it's a brand trusted in over 160 countries. From the stadiums of America to the farms of Africa, from European construction sites, BKT tires are everywhere. What makes BKT special? It's not just manufacturing, it's precision engineering. Every tire is built to endure the harshest conditions: blazing heat, crushing weight, unforgiving terrain. Behind each tire lies world-class research, cutting-edge plants, and the unmatched skills of Indian engineers. When a monster truck soars through the air and crashes back with thunder, it's BKT that takes the impact. When farmers cultivate vast fields, when mining trucks haul tons of rock, when construction giants reshape landscapes, it's BKT tires that keep the world moving. For decades, global tire markets were ruled by Western names. But BKT changed the story, proving that Indian innovation can take the lead. Every tire exported carries not just rubber and steel, but the pride of 1 billion people. An Indian brand commanding respect on the world stage. And this is just the beginning. With sustainable production, bold innovation, and a global vision, BKT is shaping the tires of tomorrow. Greener, stronger, and smarter. BKT, born in India, driven by the world. A tire that carries weight, power, and pride.